Is it on?
Yes. Hello.
Hello, kindergarten friends, coming to you from Mrs. Spencer's kitchen, which I just cleaned behind me, just that part. The rest of it's really messy. We are going to make slime today because we are bored. And some of you might have these ingredients at home, but some of you might not. And that's okay. There are different... Seriously, children?
You licked me.
Stop licking each other. There are lots of recipes for slime out there that do not use borax. But I had them at home because I was going to make you guys slime for St. Patrick's Day. And that didn't happen. So we're going to make it here. So the things you need for slime is borax. And this is in the laundry aisle of the grocery store. So Mom and Dad, if you want to go out and run and get some.
Make it green.
We are going to make it green. We're going to use...
Red.
No, it's not. It says green food coloring. And here's just a big, giant jug of school glue. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Someone go turn on the hot water. So, you are going to first take a teaspoon, this little itty bitty spoon of borax, and you're going to mix it with really hot water. So, you might want to have your grown-up do the really hot water part.
I want to do.
All right, you put this in this bowl, Nick. Right there. And then we are going to dissolve that in a half a cup of warm water. So online they said if you want really wet slime, like goopy slime, use 1/2 a teaspoon of borax. But if you want a little harder slime, use 1/2 teaspoon of borax. So he is going to get a half a cup of warm water. Nope, Nicholas, take this and this to the sink. Put a half a cup of warm water in there, and then Nate, you and I are going to work on the glue. So it's the same thing with the glue. You're going to do half a cup of white glue and half a cup of warm water, and we're going to mix these in 2 separate bowls until they're all mixed up. You don't have a measuring cup. You have to wait till Nick is done.
Oh, I put glue in my
Half
face.
a cup.
I put glue in my face.
Hold on, we're having technical. This whole thing is a half cup.
Oh. Dance break.
Oh. All right, so when you pour that in there, it's kind of cloudy, and Nick is going to get a fork and start mixing that up. I'm going to get half a cup for Nate, and then we are going to do also half a cup of glue. Do you want to pour the glue, or do you want to hold the cup?
I'm making
All right, pour the glue.
I want
here.
to pour the glue.
Okay, you hold the cup.
I'm making a whirlpool.
All right.
Whoa. It's so slow.
Ooh. Tell them why the glue is slow. Where was it?
It was in the garage, frozen
And it
for
was kind of
like
frozen.
3 months.
Frozen glue. Holy moly.
It's
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, it's coming! It's
There it
coming
goes.
fast! Oh, looks like melted
right.
marshmallows.
Glue is going in. Where did the other fork go?
It is completely
Oh,
dissolved.
No, we're not going high. Got that.
It's a waterfall of glue.
And we are going to add our food coloring into the glue and the water. That's the best way to mix it. Don't splat that.
We are all done here. Mission accomplished.
Nope.
Can I pour it in?
No.
Oh no.
No, because it's leaking everywhere.
Oh, that's a lot.
So we're making it
looks like
really
blood.
green for
Green
St.
blood.
Patrick's Day. All right, slowly mix that around me.
Whoa. It's going crazy, man.
I'm washing the green off my finger because I am
Whoa,
green
what is that?
like a leprechaun. Oh dear. Look at this. Green like a
They
leprechaun.
made us green eggs and green toothbrushes. It was annoying.
I know, the leprechauns were trouble today. So Nick is done mixing it, and see how it's clear now? All that borax is mixed up in there. So now we're just waiting on Nate.
went
Look
bye-bye.
at Nate's. He's just mixing it. It would help if you like kind of did it like when you're whisking eggs. Stop for a
I want to
minute.
whisk eggs.
Okay, like this, like you whisk eggs.
Okay, give me it.
I don't know why he's shaking his head like that, because do you shake your head when you mix slime? I don't think so. Now the borax water is the activator, and that's going to make the glue turn into slime. That's the cool magic.
Okay, it's time.
No, it's not time. It's not mixed up yet.
You smell it.
There we go. What did I say? Yeah. All right. Are you ready to see if it turns into slime?
I want to pour it in.
All right,
I'll
wait.
pour it in.
Here, let me grab my camera.
I've only
All right.
done
No,
one thing.
Nicholas can pour it in. And
It's hot
you-
to Owie.
And you stir it. All right, go ahead, pour it in. Nate, go stir it slowly. And it's already starting to turn into slime. I'll put this in the sink. Whoa, slimy. Keep stirring it around gently. Sorry guys, not the best at videotaping this kind of stuff. So it's looking pretty goopy in there, isn't it?
It's like stuck to the fork.
Oh.
Can I touch it?
In a minute. We gotta keep mixing, you gotta mix it in a little bit more. Don't do that.
On my shirt.
Yahoos.
Don't touch my
All
fluffy.
right, enough. I hope this doesn't stain my countertop. Is this the mixing dance? Mix it up. Whoa.
They have to go around in circles because she's mixing it up.
So now it's kind of wet, and the extra water in here,
Wow.
you just put in the sink. So
My holds.
I'm worried this is gonna make your fingers green.
I don't
Let me
care.
test first. Oh yeah, that's goopy.
Goopy.
All right.
I don't care.
So wait a
You're
minute.
going in.
Wait. So mix it in the bowl. Oh my gosh, my hand.
I don't want to touch this.
Mix it in the bowl. Really squish it together, Nate.
Oh,
Squish it in there
I'll
because you
squish
got to
it.
mix
I'll
up.
imaginary squish it.
Why don't you want to touch it, Nick?
Because it's scary.
Nick, just touch it. Look
Keep
how
it in.
feel weird it feels.
It's scary.
Yeah, it's mixing up better with your hands. You got to mix it in there.
Oh,
I'll mix it up with the fork.
oh, you're
No.
gonna stab us.
Oh, look at your hands are all green. Stop, please. Put the fork in the sink. All right.
6 minutes.
I think that's good. Let's take it out now. Come on.
Oh.
Whoa! And the
That's
more...
It's
That's all
scary.
right. The more you play with it, the slimier it will turn. Did it make a funny noise? Oh, it did make a funny noise.
Lucy, you want some?
No. All right, put that in the sink. All right, guys. So I hope you can make slime at home today in case you're bored. Say bye, guys.
Oh, it feels good now.
Say bye.
Bye bye.